Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. It means a lot. If you have a BMW guys 3 or 4 series, I'm talking about F30, F31 or even F34 I think, we'll show you guys how to remove or how to replace your shelf panel guys. Okay, we're demonstrating on F30 but it should help quite a few models. Probably from year 2012 to year 2018 guys. We'll have more than 200 videos guys on this generation BMW and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully guys you will find the information helpful. Stay with us, we'll have to do quite a bit of work to actually remove that shelf panel. It's the one that's right under the rear window. Sometimes they break, they get loose, they rattle, they fade. So if you need to replace it, recover it or anything like that, we'll explain how to do that. There is 3 clips that people sometimes break, super easy on the back, so make sure you stay until the end because otherwise you can ruin yours. So hopefully the video will be helpful. If you need any parts and tools and you want to save even more money guys, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can buy car parts and tools for a really good price. So let's start on it now. So we'll demonstrate guys, okay, how to remove the right CPU, okay, right here. So let me show you guys, okay, what it looks like. If when you have the window you won't be able to see all that, but a few things that you need to consider guys. You actually have 3 clips and one that slides in. Now without the window I can show you all that and how it works. Otherwise you'll be doing everything from the inside guys, everything from the inside. But you will guys have 1 clip here, 1 clip there. So we get here, okay, with a plastic panel too, and if you can do that, okay, since we don't have the window it's a little bit easier for me, okay, to actually bring it out, but with the window you will have a little bit more trouble. But what you do when you have the window, you're going to start on this side right here, okay, and here there is another clip guys, so we're going to leave the seal, go underneath. Okay, you have your side airbag here, so you have to be extremely careful. Okay, because, okay, check it out, this is your side airbag, so careful not to punch anything, not to break anything, because guys, okay, that could be catastrophic. So when you get those clips out, okay, one of them got back in, okay, you're going to grab that piece and, okay, let me come on the other side so I can show you. And you're going to grab it guys and you're going to slide it forward. Okay, it's stuck under the seal, I think. We have 1 clip there guys. Okay, let me see what is happening, because I think this clip you slide it out. Okay, this clip when you grab it, it slides out, but it got in here. Okay, check it out now. That's what we're doing. You cannot remove the last clip. Okay, that last clip, that's actually the one that you remove first guys. This is the one, okay, that goes in this canal. Okay, let me get close, and it slides out guys. Okay, it's usually stuck right here, so when you pop it loose to some degree, okay, and you remove these 2 clips, the one here and the one over there, you're going to go ahead and slide it out until it comes to right here. Okay, you can see what the clip looks like, and then the last clip will come out of there, which is the one located all the way here. So that's how you guys remove the CPU on that BMW. The other side is exactly the same guys, just like this one. So we'll go ahead and show you on this side too if you want to see that. So we're going to start with the first clip there. Imagine that we have the window in. Perfect, it came out, then you grab it with your fingers, okay, and you're going to pry, okay, you're going to come between the 2 pieces here, pry a little bit, and then slide it forward. Okay, it's stuck, you cannot pull if it's stuck here, you have to always pull it out, otherwise it doesn't work guys. And the other CPU is out of here as well, you can see it doesn't take much. So next step guys, we'll need to remove these side covers. Okay, let me show you how to do that. Okay, you grab it guys, okay, and this thing practically it has 2 clips, okay, holding here, so you need to kind of like, okay, let me see if I can grab it like that, or I need to go ahead and, okay, perfect, and then pull up. Okay, let me explain now. You have 2 clips, one here, one there, one on top, guys. So the one on there, it goes down here. So we grab the same thing on the other side, okay, and we do exactly the same procedure, guys, to the other one. Okay, pull it out. Now I'm going to get those out. Why? Because we will have to, guys, okay, we have to now put the seats down, and we'll explain why. So let me actually collect everything out of here. Okay, perfect. And now we're going to open the trunk. We'll show you guys, okay, what else we need to do here. We need to open now, okay, the seats so we can tilt them down. Okay, both of them down, just like that. Right here now it seems like we don't have anything else holding. We're going to verify that though. We'll go inside the car now. Okay, and let me show you. Okay, we pre-loosened some of the clips, but I'll explain, guys, what you need to do from that point on. So as you can see, we have the seat pillars removed here, so that makes a big difference because otherwise you won't be able to pull it out. So first you need to pull the seat pillars. Again, be careful because your side airbags are right here, guys, okay, and those things can kill you, so you have to be extremely careful. So a few clips that we need to remove. Pull the center piece out, then grab the whole clip, guys, okay, and pull it out. We're going to do that, okay, to I think 6 clips. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, you can see 3. We have one in the corner there. This is the 4th one. Okay, perfect. Now we have 5 and the 6th one here. So altogether we have 6 clips, okay, that we need to take care of. Clip removal tool makes things super easy, guys. If you need to buy any of the tools, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get them for a really good price. Perfect. Okay, this one's out. Now a few things, guys, that we need to explain. Make sure that your seat belt is not attached there. Everything's good. Now I'm going to close right here now, guys. I'm going to close that trunk, and since we don't have the window, I can show you how things are happening. You're going to have 3 of these clips, guys, and on this shelf panel 2 of them are broken. We'll explain where. You have 1 clip here, 1 clip in the center, 1 clip over there. So now, guys, all we have to do, okay, just grab that shelf panel, slide it forward. Okay, you might hit the door seals there a little bit. Go ahead, get them out, okay, and slide it out. Now the clips that I was talking about, guys, okay, let me show you. Like this one here, okay, you can see this one is unglued, guys. It's supposed to be right here. We already have one there, and one of them fell out, okay, right here. So we have actually only 3 clips that we need to take care of. And with all that being said, you can just go ahead and remove the shelf panel out of the car. Now if you guys need to get the seat belt out, this is pretty easy. Just get the trim out there, the little bitty surrounding, okay, you can see down there, and you can get the seat belt out of the shelf panel as well, guys. So we'll show you guys how to disconnect the seat belts now. Okay, right here we have on the sides 1 screw on each of them, guys. Okay, let's see if we have anything else holding on the back side. We have a couple clips, okay, like this one. So all we have to do, just grab it and pull it out. Now let me do the one right here on this side, and we'll show you how to do the middle one as well. Okay, you can see how we're removing the screws now. Perfect. Now grab it, pull it, okay, check it out. It comes like that, and then it comes out. Okay, and now we have the only thing is that belt right here, but okay, let me explain how to do that. That trim piece, okay, check it out. It comes out like that, you push it out, and now we need to feed it to come out of there. Okay, and that shelf panel is completely out of the car. Okay, let me show you. Just like that, guys. So you can see what I'm talking about. So that's how you guys remove the shelf panel on a BMW, guys. F30, F31, I think even maybe F34. It should help, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. If you need any tools or parts, check out the link in the description of the video below. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you guys next time.